65 million years ago, the giants fell. The age of dinosaurs ended in fire, and the world began again. First came the survivors, tiny mammals scurrying through shadows. But now, deep in the forests, something new is stirring. Creatures with hands built for grasping, eyes tuned to judge distance, and minds beginning to spark with memory. The world heals from catastrophe. Blackened soil gives way to ferns and flowering plants. Rain nurtures fresh rivers, and trees stretch upward into towering canopies. Insects return in clouds, frogs sing from ponds, crocodiles glide beneath the water's surface. From ashes, the earth is alive again, ripe for experimentation. In this reborn world, small creatures cling to bark and leap across branches. Barely larger than squirrels, they balance with flicking tails and hook-like hands. Unlike most mammals, their eyes face forward. Their vision overlaps, giving depth, precision, survival. They are the first primates, not yet monkeys, not yet apes, but something entirely new. The forest canopy is paradise and peril. One misstep means a deadly fall. Below, crocodiles and snakes wait. Above, hawks circle, talons flashing. A hawk dives, a tiny primate freezes, then leaps sideways through a net of leaves. The bird misses by inches. This is not strength that saves them, but calculation, reflex sharpened by memory, survival through thought. Their brains are growing, but larger brains demand more fuel. Food becomes obsession, ripe fruit, insects under bark, flowers heavy with nectar. Daytime brings a new gift, color vision. Reds and yellows stand out against the green, getting them to fruit before rivals. What began as survival becomes superpower. With vision comes memory. They recall which trees bear fruit, which rivers hide predators, which seasons bring abundance. A primate pauses, remembering a fig tree. Others wander aimlessly, but this one moves with purpose. For the first time, survival is guided not just by instinct, but by memory and anticipation. Memory unlocks something deeper, connection. Alone, a primate is fragile, but together, they are powerful. Groups form, they huddle for warmth, groom for hygiene, but grooming soon becomes more. It builds trust, alliances, hierarchies. An alarm call from one saves dozens. The group is now a survival machine. Juveniles turn the canopy into a playground. They chase, wrestle, swing, and leap. Play is not chaos, it's training. Each fall hones reflexes, each chase sharpens agility, each mock fight builds strength. Those who play hardest survive longest. Evolution is written in laughter. Primates spread wherever forests grow. In Asia, some cling to the night, with enormous eyes glowing in starlight. In Africa, others embrace daylight, their new color vision giving them an edge. In Europe, they adapt to shifting climates, some growing larger, others vanishing. Even North America briefly holds their kind. Not all survive, many lineages die, but the survivors grow sharper, faster, stronger. Evolution refines them. Some gain prehensile tails, grasping ropes that make the canopy limitless. Others perfect their grip, hands and feet, wrapping branches with surgical precision. Step by step, they drift away from rodent ancestors and closer to forms that feel familiar. The blueprint of humanity is being drafted. Curiosity sets them apart. A primate inspects a strange fruit before tasting. Another pokes at an insect with a finger. Curiosity is risk. Sometimes it means poison, but sometimes it means discovery, new food, new strategies. Every mistake teaches, every discovery builds. Slowly, thought begins to take shape. From these experiments, new lineages appear. Monkeys rise, agile, social, thriving in large troops or as solitary hunters of the canopy. And from them, the first apes emerge, larger, stronger, more intelligent. They still fear snakes and hawks, but their social lives deepen. They fight with strategy, comfort with touch, and reveal flashes of imagination. The canopy is no longer enough. something inside them pushes further. Every leap, every alliance, every memory plants a seed. Hands that pluck fruit will one day shape tools. Eyes that track branches will one day read the stars. Voices that cry alarms will one day tell stories. The rise of primates is not just survival, it is the birth of potential. The giants of the past are gone. In their place, a dynasty of climbers, thinkers, and survivors has risen. From their struggles in the canopy, the path to humanity unfolds. But this story is only beginning, for soon their descendants, monkeys and apes, will step beyond the forests and take the first bold steps toward becoming us.